Hello fam, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great wherever you are. So if today is your first time seeing this channel, you are welcome to join this amazing family. Alright, so today I want to share with you how to make this grilled chicken for your local Ghana light soup. Okay, so without wasting my time, let's get into the video. Actually, this video is not so long, it's very short, so please, if you like the video, share to your loved ones, subscribe, and click the bell notification. Alright, so moving forward, I have my chicken here. This is hard bone chicken. That is what I prefer to use, but please feel free to use any type of chicken of your choice. But the perfect chicken for your Ghana local soup is hard bone chicken. Alright, so the chicken is thoroughly washed and I'm going to open it like this. Be careful when you are opening the chicken so that you will not hurt yourself. Alright, so after opening it, I'm going to show you what you are going to do next. It's a busia for senya mekaye no. Say ya na obepe mu kama so ati ase. Yeah, medikan aka ne English sene be ya bi a onte twi no ono so ebetimi aye sa recipe we and so no so ebetima prepare sa chicken for the soup. Well, this is the second one. So the second one you are going to also open it just like that. But be careful sene be ya fasikan no entwa wo hands. Why? Aye, intimate power chores. So which mu wi no a afei na oba be spicy, but me power chore where preference spices there, it's always your preference, okay? But grilled chicken na ye soup no, you normally don't need a lot. So I'll show you what I use for my guys. So now the chicken is set to go into the oven, but before that, let me show you what to do next. Okay, so because you are going to use the chicken for your soup, okay, you are going to be needing a clean baking pan, right? So this is the pan I'm going to use, okay? Use whatever pan you have, but please make sure that the pan is very clean because you need the sauce that coming out from the chicken, okay? That's going to be your soup base. Me pacho aya mean true ehunsu no engwai. Enti na ha say me the oil kakra afafa me pan mu se na be ya chicken skin no and stick it into the pan. Right. So after that no me ba be sure dear obesan aya aka ho. Me pacho me nko baby a na ye wi. All right, so now I will place the chicken into the baking pan. Yes, initially I thought the chicken will not fit inside, but it has fit, guys. Yeah. Okay, so after this, I'm also going to season the chicken with some salt. Just a little bit salt. If you have any spices, please you can add. But I prefer, only salt because when I'm using the chicken for soup, I'm going to be needing my own, it depending the kind of soup that I will prepare at that time. So I will need different spices maybe. So that is why you need only salt. Okay. All right. So when I said only salt, I mean for the, taste. Yes, it's just a little taste that you need. And also the salt is going to help the chicken to, grill very nicely. Okay, so here as you can see I added some basil and garlic. Okay, if you don't like garlic, please skip this. All right, but I love the flavor combined with the the basil. All right, so now I'm going to also add just a little drizzle of oil on top of it. That is it, because I don't want the chicken to burn so fast. That is why I'm adding a little bit of oil. Actually, the chicken already contains some oil in it, so you don't need it if you don't want. Okay, so here we are done and I'm going to put it in the oven. All right, guys, now look at this. Our chicken is nicely done. This looks so beautiful, guys, isn't it? All right, fam. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. I am so proud of you. But please do me a favor. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are not, and share my videos to your loved ones. Please don't forget the bell notification so that you get my videos as soon as I upload them on YouTube. And please, once again, thank you. We have 2,000 subscribers now. Let us push to 3,000. I love you all so much for supporting my channel, and please try and engage my videos more. Like the videos and give me your comments. Please, thank you so much. And also, this chicken, it is so great. If you don't leave the chicken now, you are going to finish it. It is so great. Just leave the chicken for a few days. Send one on manokrapam. Bye bye.